Looking for the best cordless plunge saws in 2025? We tested and ranked 5 top picks to help you find exactly what fits your needs. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list in 5th place is the WORKPRO cordless mini saw. It's small, lightweight, and super easy to handle, perfect for quick DIY jobs around the house. But while it's great for convenience, it does fall short in power and versatility compared to the others on this list. One thing that stands out is its portability. With a compact build and a 20-volt battery, it's easy to grab and go. It even comes with a full kit, including a laser guide, charger, and 3 blades, making it an appealing option if you're just starting out or need a secondary saw for simple tasks. But let's be real, it's not a full plunge saw. The shallow 1/11 to 16th inch cutting depth limits its use on thicker materials, and it won't replace a full circular or track saw. Also, the laser guide feels more like a bonus than a precision tool. So if you're working on small home projects and want something budget-friendly and compact, this one's for you. And hey, if you want the best deals on any of the saws in this review, check out the links in the video description below. Coming in at number 4, we've got the corded mini saw from DOVAMAN. It's a step up in stability with a beefier motor and a solid metal base, but since it's not cordless, you do lose some flexibility. What's nice here is the value. This saw includes 6 different blades for cutting everything from wood to tile. It's got a built-in laser, a vacuum port for dust control, and a metal handle for added support. For under $100, you're getting a lot of gear. Now that cord, it's a bit of a deal breaker for some. It limits where you can use the saw, and the safety lock trigger can get annoying over time. Also, the bevel and depth adjustments aren't as refined as what you'll find on more premium models. This one's great if you're on a tight budget and don't mind plugging in. It's ideal for basic jobs where power matters more than portability. Oh, and if you're liking this review so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tool breakdowns just like this one. Landing in the middle at number 3 is the WORX cordless circular saw. It's a nice balance between performance and user-friendliness, especially for casual users who want decent depth without too much weight. This model gives you tool-free bevel and depth adjustments, a built-in LED light, and even a dust vacuum adapter. It's compact, cuts through 2x lumber with no problem, and includes the battery, charger, and blade. Pretty impressive for a sub-$150 tool. But here's the catch, it's not a true plunge saw. That means you won't get the precise start-in material cuts that a real track saw delivers. And while the 20-volt battery does a good job, it won't match the runtime or torque of higher-end dual battery models. Still, if you want something lightweight, straightforward, and versatile enough for weekend projects, this WORX saw is an excellent pick. Think of it as the sweet spot between budget and capability. Runner-up goes to the WORX plunge saw. This one surprised us with just how much it offers at such a competitive price. Dual 20-volt batteries, brushless motor, and real plunge capabilities make it a solid contender. The depth and bevel range are generous, and it's track compatible with WORX's rail system. You even get scoring, splitting, and plunge modes, something you don't often see at this price. Plus, those two 4.0 amp-hour batteries with charge indicators? Huge bonus. It's not perfect though. Some of the hardware feels cheap, especially the depth gauge screws, and dust collection is only decent when you're cutting on a track. Freehand cuts? Not so much. Also, the anti-kickback system can be finicky. If you're looking to get into plunge cutting or track saw work without spending a fortune, this one is a fantastic way to start. It's powerful, it's capable, and it's friendly on your wallet. And topping our list at number 1, we've got the powerhouse from Makita. This saw is a professional grade tool through and through, built for clean, accurate cuts, and ready for any job site. It's got a super smooth plunge action, a variable speed brushless motor, and automatic load sensing for precise performance. You also get electronic speed control, soft start, and a big 55-tooth blade for sharp, clean cuts. What's the trade-off? Weight and price. This saw is noticeably heavier than others in this lineup, and you'll need to buy the batteries, charger, and track system separately if you don't already have them. But if you're serious about precision, it's more of an investment than a drawback. For contractors, serious hobbyists, or anyone who values clean, professional cuts, the Makita is hands down the best cordless plunge saw out there, no question. Looking for the best saw for your next big project? All the top picks are linked in the description below at the best prices we could find. Don't forget to give us a like and hit subscribe for more tool reviews and smart buying guides.